Every time we've ever measured the speed of light, we get exactly the same number. When we look in other parts of the universe where we see phenomenon happening, speed of light's the same, right on up to the edge of the universe.
Cool.
So our evidence, and since as you look out in the universe, you look back in time, we can say with confidence that the speed of light is the same and unchanging across space and through the depths of time. It is the most fundamental constant of nature we know.
Yes. Yeah.
It is so fundamental